In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to request refund on YouTube TV on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube TV. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now head over to the option Help. You'll be redirected to this page. Now here you're gonna find several options. Select the option Request a refund for YouTube TV, or also you can type in that and search for it. Once that option appears, click on it. Now here you're gonna find the article related to it. You can go through this article. This might resolve the issue, or else you can contact YouTube TV support team. For that, head back. Click on the option Contact Us. You'll be directed to this page. Now here click on this drop down and select YouTube TV. Likewise, type in Get Refund or Request Refund and click on Next. Now follow the on-screen instructions and complete this process. With this, you will be good to go. And that's it. This way you are able to request refund on YouTube TV on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.